So we're just going to do the next inner circle, and to do a running stitch you're just going to bring the needle up and then you're going to put it just straight back down again. Try and follow the lines that are on the pattern, or just do a straight stitch. And then you're going to try and keep the stitches the same size and the same gap in between each one. Or like I've said before, if you want to do them different sizes you can, but try and keep them all the same if you want to keep them all the same. It does just take practice. I am just using a variegated thread for this one again, so it looks like a rainbow, so the colours will change slightly. And do that all the way around, and that is a really simple running stitch. What you can do as well, if you want to make it a little bit quicker, is you can just put it in and out like that. And that is a running stitch.